In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs sound effects for videos. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you've signed in, take a look at the left sidebar of the screen. You'll want to click on the section called Playground, also known as the Creation panel. Once there, navigate to the Speech-to-Speech tab. This is where the fun begins, as it sets the stage for transforming your audio. Next, we need to choose a target voice. This is a crucial step because the voice model you select from your library or the drop-down menu will dictate the tone and accent of your final audio piece. Think about what kind of voice you're aiming for, whether you want something deep and resonant, cheerful and bright, or maybe even a character voice. Now, we move on to the next important step, uploading or recording your audio. If you already have a recording that you want to convert, simply drag and drop your existing audio file into the designated area. ElevenLabs supports various formats like .mp3, .wav, or M4A. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative and want to record your vocal performance live, just hit the microphone icon. This allows you to capture your voice directly through your browser, making it super convenient. After you have your audio ready, it's time to fine-tune how the voice will sound. You'll see advanced voice settings that allow you to adjust several important parameters. One of them is called expression or emotion strength. This slider lets you control how much of your original performance's unique emotional delivery will be carried over into the final audio. Essentially, you can decide if you want the output to feel more like you or stay true to the target voice's characteristics. The next slider is labeled Similarity. This one decides how closely the AI will match the voice profile you've chosen. If you slide it to a higher setting, the output may sound more like your target voice. If you prefer a looser interpretation, you can lower it, allowing for a more creative version of your original sound. Once you've got everything set up to your satisfaction, it's time for the grand finale, hitting the Generate button. When you click it, the ElevenLabs engine springs into action, processing your source file. Give it a moment as it creates a brand new audio clip that mirrors not just your cadence and timing, but also the unique pauses of your speech, all wrapped inside the voice identity you selected. After the processing is complete, look for the download icon. Click it to save your newly transformed audio track. And just like that, you've successfully used ElevenLabs to create a sound effect from your audio. So remember, when you start this process, it's all about the exploration of voice and emotion, customizing it to really fit your project. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content.